Tech fans, the Nothing Phone 3 is almost here, and it's creating waves even before its launch. Today, we'll dive into everything we know so far, its release timeline, features, specifications, and expected pricing. So stay tuned to find out why this might be the most exciting phone of 2025. Let's start with the release timeline. The CEO of Nothing, Carl Pei, has confirmed that the Nothing Phone 3 will launch in the first quarter of 2025. While we don't have an official date yet, the anticipation is building fast. Fans of the brand are eagerly waiting for the big reveal. Now, let's talk specifications. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to target the affordable smartphone market, making cutting-edge tech more accessible. Rumors suggest it could pack a punch with either the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 or the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset. And yes, it's likely to feature a stunning 6.5-inch display with the signature Nothing design that stands out in the crowd. But wait, there's more. A Pro variant could also be on the horizon. If leaks are to be believed, this model will take things up a notch with a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Plus, it's rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 12 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage. Both models are expected to come loaded with advanced AI features to enhance your smartphone experience. The standard version might also include a customizable action button, similar to what we've seen in other flagship phones. Now the big question, how much will it cost? Reports suggest the Nothing Phone 3 will be priced at around 45,000 rupees, while the Pro variant could start upwards of 55,000 rupees. Of course, these are leaked estimates, so take them with a pinch of salt until official pricing is announced. With its cutting-edge specs and bold design, the Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be a game changer. Are you excited for this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on the Nothing Phone 3 and other exciting tech launches. See you in the next one.